how to get $35 promo code on Instacart. So let's get started. First thing first, go to any web browser and search for the Instacart promo code on the search engine bar. Now look through the search results for sites that offer promo codes or discounts. You can see the common and popular sites on the top and tap on it, and you'll be navigated to a list of codes or offers available inside the website. Ensure the promo code is valid by checking its expiration date and any associated terms or conditions, because some code might be expired or have specific limitations. Once you find the offer or discounts according to your interest, all you have to do is tap on it and use it according to the instructions provided. All you have to do is copy it and paste it at the checkout on the Instacart online store. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.